Now answering your questions on the new health care law. Author of Beating Obamacare, your handbook for surviving new health care law, and former Lieutenant Governor of New York, Betsy McCaughey, thankfully is here. We've had some of our viewers writing in here. Jennifer Prowl Winston writes on Facebook, can I still stay on my husband's plan even though my employer offers their own policy?
Yes, you can, but be aware that some employers are starting to dump coverage for spouses as Obamacare pushes up the cost of covering workers.
Don, Don Webb Sr. asked this, what's an exchange?
Good question. The president says it's like a shopping mall, but in fact it's more like going to a supermarket that only sells cereal. It's just going to sell one thing, the essential benefit package required by the government. You'll see different levels, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, but it's definitely not the jewelry store.
Right.
All those plans have the same benefit package.
Betsy, let me ask you this. In the exchanges are private companies, theoretically, correct?
Well, there is two types of exchanges. The government exchanges imposed by Obamacare, and then also there are private exchanges being created so that some employers can stop worrying about offering health coverage directly to their employees and instead send them to, it's like a food court for health insurance instead of food.
That's a good way to put it. All right, Linny tweets, how do I go about proving I have coverage?
Good point, because you're going to have to do that a year from April when you file your 2014 taxes. You will have to attach proof that you are enrolled in what the government considers qualified insurance. So either your employer will put it in the W-2 or your exchange will provide that certification. You'll have to attach proof or lose part of your refund.
And eventually, with the government supercomputer, doesn't it go across a whole bunch of platforms, Health and Human Services, IRS? They talk to everybody to see whether or not you qualify?
That's true.
All right.
Not working yet, though.
Not working yet. They got to work the bugs out.
If you want your questions answered, you use Twitter, okay?
I will.
That's how we're communicating with Betsy.
Hashtag will do.
Okay.
Or you could just wave.
Or we could do that.
Wherever you are.
All right. Betsy McCaughey, thank you very much. You know what? If you have more questions, go ahead and email us, friends@foxnews.com. We do have a shot of the website. A lot of you have already gone onto it today. When I went to learn more for the state of New Jersey, I got that one right there. Health Insurance Marketplace, please wait.
Please
Essentially, a busy signal.
They're asking for your